Welcome to DreamGIS. Today we will learn how to plug in georeference tool and georeferencing or georegistration in QGIS. First, open QGIS software and go to layer. Then click on add layer followed by add raster layer. Here we select our unregistered map, click on browse, then select our raw raster image. Click on image and then click on open. Then click on add. Close. We successfully add our raster image in QGIS. In canvas, we can see the unregistered map. To georeferencing this toposheet, go to raster and click on georeference. This georeference icon generally invisible in newly installed QGIS software. If georeference tool is not showing, then go to plugin and click on manage and install plugins. You need internet connection for this process. Here you can see various type of tools. To find the georeference tool, type here georeference. After you typing, the georeferencer GDAL is showing. You need to check this tool and click on install button here. In this portion you can see the install button. After successfully install, close the window. Now go to raster and click on georeference. The georeference window is open. Here we need to add our map. So go to open raster and select our raster file. Now our map was successfully added. To georeference or georegistration this topo sheet, we need to add some ground control point. To add ground control point, select add point tools and select a specific point in map whose coordinate known to us or given in the map. In x-axis you have to give the longitudinal value and y-axis you have to give latitudinal value. Click on OK. Our first point or GCP point is ready. Now we add 3 more GCP point across the map clockwise, following the same procedure. During typing of latitude and longitude, use space instead of degree, minute and second. For better accuracy in georeferencing, zoom in on the selected point and then left click. You can zoom in or zoom out using the scroll of the mouse. As I say, we use space instead of degree, minute and second. In this case, we use 86 space 15 for 86 degree and 15 minute. Okay, in the same condition, we input the latitudinal value. Here we complete 4 GCP point in the map. Now click on transformation setting. Here transformation type have to select polynomial 1. For scan material you always select polynomial 1. Here in target SRS we select our required projection system. In this case we select WGS 84, which stands for World Geodetic Survey. This WGS 84 is a geographical coordinate system which authority ID is EPSG 4326. After select this projection system, click OK. Now you have to select a specific folder to save our projected raster file. Here we give a specific name to the projected map. Click on save, then followed by OK. Here the residual and mean error represent the accuracy of georeferencing. When mean error is near to 0, your accuracy of georeferencing is better. Click on Start Georeferencing. The georeference was successfully completed. Now we will see the georeferenced map in Canvas. First of all, we remove all layer from layer panel and add our georeference map. You can see our map was georeferenced. This is the coordinate showing in decimal degree. In some cases, we have to save our GCP table. So to save, go to File and Save GCP point as. Here we select a specific folder to save the table and give a specific name to our file and click on Save. Now our GCP table is successfully saved. Various options you can close and open by right click on the empty space of menu bar and check and uncheck these tools like GCP table, file, view, histogram, etc. Now practice more for more accurate georeferencing. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.